Ever spent a fortune on hair extensions and wondered if they were really worth it? With so many luxury options, picking the right brand can feel overwhelming. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 high-end hair extension brands, comparing them side by side so you can find the perfect match for your hair type, budget, and style goals. We tested texture, comfort, durability, blending, and real customer feedback, and the results were eye-opening. So let's get straight to it. Which brand deserves your money? The 5 brands we're reviewing today are the gold standard. 100% Remy human hair with intact cuticles for a soft, natural look. They last longer, style better, and blend beautifully. Each brand shines in a different category. Luxy Hair, Bellami Hair, Glam Seamless, Beauty Works, Ultra-silky hair extensions. Let's break them down. If your hair is fine or breaks easily, Luxy Hair is a top choice. Their seamless clip-ins are lightweight, soft, and natural looking. No tugging, no hassle. Perfect for everyday glam or special occasions. Pros: ultra-light, comfortable, smooth blend, great color range. Cons: not ideal for very thick, dramatic volume. For red carpet, head-turning glamour, Bellami Hair delivers thick, full-density extensions. They offer clip-ins, tape-ins, sew-ins, and pro-level sets. Pros: thick, many-length options, huge shade variety. Cons: can feel heavier, needs blending skill, perfect for bold volume and dramatic transformations. Glam Seamless is a stylist favorite for blending and styling. They offer clip-ins, tape-ins, and hand-tied wefts that move naturally with your hair. Pros: excellent blendability, strong tape-ins, silky movement. Cons: experience may vary by type, great for flexible hairstyles or a flawless professional finish. Used often for bridal styling and photo shoots, Beauty Works is smooth, soft, and luxurious. Pros: silky, polished finish. Cons: less widely available, ideal for refined, elegant looks. Ultra-silky hair extensions are durable, with hand-tied wefts and tape-ins that shed less. Pros: lightweight, long-lasting, natural finish. Cons: higher price, often requires professional install, perfect for a long-term investment in your hair. Luxy Hair is perfect for achieving natural volume, especially if you have fine or thin hair. Bellami Hair is ideal for anyone looking for dramatic, glamorous length and volume. Glam Seamless offers flexible styling options and blends beautifully for a seamless look. Beauty Works gives you silky, polished, salon-perfect results. And Ultra-silky Hair is designed for long-term, professional-grade wear. Which hair extension brand will you try first? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more beauty comparisons.